Good umaga. Good day.
Valen, where are you going with Papa today?
We're going to sell all the one pig and 5 chickens.
5 chickens? You're going to trade it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 pig for 5 chickens. I think only 4. Di mo na kilohon?
Daya, ako na yan. Kaya mo na din. Isang sako. Sa ura, ito madadalaga na ka dyan ni Lake. Iba mo na sako, malo.
Yun na yan.
Yun na yan.
Hindi na magkaluwas.
Daya yan.
Ay, hindi natin, Jay.
I don't know how they have them like this.
Hi, Piggy!
Hi, piggy.
Wow, you've grown! Good job, Daddy. There, Piggy, guys.
Is this a daddy pig?
Yeah, that's one of Daddy's pigs.
Yeah, that's the one of mine.
Nice and big.
Yeah. How about the small pigs? What's this one you're doing?
So, hi guys. Magandang umaga. Good morning. Baby's already sleeping. It's only, I think 7 o'clock or 7:30. But, yeah. So, today, guys, husband and Valen and his uncles will go to Goa to trade one of our pigs for, I believe, 4 chickens.
Maybe 5 chickens.
So that's what they're going to do. They're going to drop off the 1 piggy. I think it's about 20 kilos. You want to go with Dad? Go, because you're going with Daddy, Valen. So yeah, the pig, guys, is about 20, so between 17 to 20 kilograms. So there's 8 of them. That was born November 1. Actually, there were more, but some of them died. But we were able to raise 8. So now, this one will be going to go out for straight trade for chickens. My husband is collecting different types of chickens now, guys. The one that lays egg, finally. Not those pangsabong anymore. But yeah, so we have, I'll show it to you later when he comes back. So Balin will be going with him because I can take care of 2. Balin is just a handful, guys. Makulit na bata si Balin. So he's gonna go with Daddy. So yeah, he's gonna be in baby here at the farm. Right, Velan? He's already sleeping. He likes to walk around in the morning. Bigat niya na. It's very heavy. He just wants to walk around, and then once he's tired, he'll sleep. Since andito na lang tayo, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung langka namin. So finally, we have jackfruit growing. The one that you saw on our vlog before, it was just this tree behind me. Only 1 fruit was came out from that tree, the one that we were able to ripen. So finally, there's a few more jackfruits here. There's one over there with 1 fruit, but this one has a bunch. This one has a bunch. This is the most I've seen, or the first time that I've seen this one. Ayan o. Dami langka. Hopefully we can ripen them again. But it's also good when you cook it with coconut milk when it's not ripened. Gata, masarap. I just don't know how to cook gata. Somebody else will cook it for us. It's good. It's yummy.
Let me do it. Let me.
You're doing a good job, love. Putting the shoes by yourself.
Yeah.
Almost, kuya. Cool. Oh, wow. Good job. Very good. You know how to put on your sandal. Good job. The other one, huh? Aggie keeps looking for the piggy. It's okay, Aggie. Oh, Aggie wants to go. Come here. Stay with mommy. Come here. Good boy. Come inside. Come on.
With you.
I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you.
Hey, wait, stay with mommy, stay with mommy. So, hi guys, good afternoon. So at the farm guys, we recently planted just a small amount of sili, talong eggplants, so chili eggplants and tomatoes on the other side. So right now, Paeng is just watering them. We're using the irrigation water. So I just bought the seedlings to plant. So we
Burat na oh.
abuno pa ini.
Ha?
Nabuno pa ini.
Yo.
Ayan. Dali sa nabo.
Ayaw, nagbuburat na. Dapat lipat ang kulong ng manok.
Sa mga bayas.
Yung kaya.
So we're just doing a small scale with small scale with ano ba to? Gulay. Because everything is expensive now here. Everything. And since it rained a lot for the last, who knows, it was very overwhelming guys. It was a lot of rain. So that's why as soon as the sun started coming out about 2 or 3 weeks ago, we decided to buy some seedlings and plant. So yeah, so hopefully by next month, meron tayong gulay sa farm. And let's have a look guys, yung so remember my husband traded our 1 pig for chickens. So my husband got 3 of female chickens, the hens. Let's see, let's go inside. The 3 hens I don't recognize anymore from the trade that he made, but the 1 male I remember because it's huge. But yeah guys, so we are transitioning to more egg production when it comes to our chickens, because as I said, everything's so expensive now. The chickens that we have right now at the farm that we've been taking care of, those are just native chickens, so basically they're just gonna give you about 50 eggs per year. The ones that we have here are basically they're meant for laying eggs, like a lot of eggs. Oh, mausok. So they will give us about 300 plus eggs a year. So here they are guys. Ito yung mga manok namin na bago. So there's a bunch of them. There are different types of chickens. So we have I know we have 4 types. We have Decal Brown, Rhode Island Red, Black Star, and Astrolorp chickens. So they just lay eggs. And since we got them guys, we started out mid-February, around Valentine's Day, because I remember we bought like I think 8 chickens on Valentine's Day, I remember. And then we added 4 more from the trade. Yeah, so every day so far guys, since we got them chickens, we haven't bought any. We haven't bought any from the store at all. Every day we get about 6 to 8 right now, and we have 10 hens, I believe. Yeah, 10, 11 now, because there's one there inside, the black Astrolorp, that one. This one we wanted to produce more of these kinds. This male is huge, and that's his partner, female. So we wanted more of those, so that's why they've been separated. They've been separated so we can determine their eggs compared to the ones that's here. So far we have 5 eggs from them, and we're giving it to the other chickens so they can hatch them. Yung limliman ba? So sila maglilimlim sa mga itlog nila, because then this one will not ano tawag sa English? Basta yun na yun, maglilimlim yung ibang manok. So once they're done in the evening, this is their place. So they just go up these little steps inside, and we'll just close the net. Okay, they're very friendly chickens. And yeah, guys, so far the color of their eggs are brown eggs, light brown, dark brown, pinkish. So far I haven't seen anything bluish, but yeah. But yeah, as I said, we haven't bought any chickens. We haven't bought any eggs since mid-February, since we got them. Well, since they started laying eggs. So far we feed them feeds, because we have an azolla pond. I'll show it to you guys later once we have more azolla, because we finished it. So far feeds for now. Hopefully down the road, guys, we can produce more eggs here at the farm. I mean, we still have much to learn, me and my husband, but yeah, so far the egg is only for us, for the family, but hopefully we'll get more chickens. Maybe we can raise them as baby chicks. So that's why my husband is trying to see if we can hatch some of those eggs and see if maybe we can have more here at the farm. I just wanted to show you guys here in this area, since I'm here anyways. Andito lang naman ako. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung mga pinya. We need to cut the grass, but I don't know, that's this week or next week. But yeah, so remember guys, actually it was last year when my husband and I got here. 6 months after we got here, my husband and I planted these pineapples. May mga bunga na sila, yung tinanim namin. Look, see, look at that. My husband and I planted these pineapples. Oh, look. And there's a bunch more behind me. Madami pa sa likod. And what else do we have here at the farm? We still have our pigs. So earlier, guys, nagkatay sila ng baboy. So they butchered one of the pigs here that was about 4 months old. So I didn't vlog it because my camera was low back. But yeah, native pig. It was yummy. So we didn't sell it or anything. We just gonna have it for family consumption again. It's in the freezer. Some of the meat. That's the goal, right? Is for this farm to be self-sustained. So, but the meat, guys, is so good. I think mas masarap siya pag nilitsyon, yung buong litsyon, which we will do in April. So next month. But so far the meat, guys, yung natural baboy, so good. Very soft, malambot siya. But yeah, that's what we had for lunch. Our farm raised pig. We have more in there. We have a lot more. And what else do we have here? We have 3 baby, ano nga ba yun? 3 baby turkeys. Here. This one is also raised here at the farm. Those are our turkeys. I think all 4 of them are raised here. But there's one big one. And there's one more over there. They're mamas.
Sabi black as to work ay. Hindi sa naman ano ko dyan eh.
Papa, found more eggs.
Dahil na pagpahilum-luman. Put in the kitchen.
Give it Uncle Eng. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, Mommy. There's the eagle, Mama.
Huh?
There's the eagle.
There's an eagle.
Yeah, it was flying up in that sky.
Where are we going, baby?
We're going to the beach, guys.
Let's go.
Okay.
This with you.
There's two more shadows touching its head.
Wala.
Maybe they're having so much fun.
Tapos lagi parang mga pamangkin naman niya doon nag-isa.
Hi, Dylan. Dylan's going to the beach for the first time.
First time?
Yeah. Say hi, guys. Good morning. This is baby's first beach. Oops. His hat's fall off again. Ah, you like it? See? Where are you, baby? In si Roma? Hmm? So this is Dylan's first beach, guys. And we're here with our Canadian friends, Ate Marian and Ate Julie and Tita Dolores. They're swimming right now. So, let's go, baby. It's getting hot. Put lotion on you, baba. So the weather, guys, maganda na siya. It is summertime now here in the Philippines. Almost. But it's less rain. So if you're planning to come visit, you can come visit now. Right, baby? So we're back at Kokuchi Beach, guys. We left early. I think 5:30. We got here around 8 o'clock. But yeah, so the weather is really nice today. And there's not much people yet. I think there's only one family behind us. But the beach is all ours. Yeah, so this is the beach, guys, that I went to 2 months ago. When I was huge. When the doctor said I have to keep walking and walking so I can take this baby out. Now he's here. Sleeping.
You see.
You can sleep all day here. Let's see. Kukuchichi. You know what they are? Hi, Jay. Hi, Christian. Hi, Canada.
He's lucky too.
You're jealous. Hey there. So much fun.